If your factory floor looks more like a hacker's playground, it's time to call in the experts. Manufacturing companies face unique cybersecurity challenges. From protecting industrial control systems to securing your supply chain, the threats are real and evolving. At Impress IT Solutions in Houston, we specialize in keeping your manufacturing operations safe. First, protect those critical industrial control systems. Network segmentation and regular updates are your best friend. Next, secure your supply chain. Regular vendor assessments and secure file sharing can save you from a world of trouble. Don't forget multi-layered security. Firewalls, endpoint protection, and email security work together to keep threats at bay. And what about backup and disaster recovery? Automatic backups and off-site storage ensure you're never down for long. Train your employees. A well-informed team is your first line of defense against cyber threats. Finally, stay compliant with industry standards and keep monitoring for threats around the clock. Impress IT Solutions, Houston's trusted IT partner for manufacturers. Secure your future with us. Contact us today.